Healthy brood fish are the foundation of fish farming. Eggs are carefully collected from mature brood fish. A protective treatment helps prevent fungal growth. The eggs are separated and cleaned before incubation.
Clean water prepares the eggs for incubation.
Machines help separate healthy eggs from infertile ones. The prepared eggs are moved into controlled incubation rooms. Constant water flow keeps the developing eggs oxygenated. A recirculating system delivers clean, oxygen-rich water.
Inside incubation jars, fertilized eggs gently circulate in oxygenated water.
Technicians carefully regulate water flow during incubation. Biological filters keep the water clean for developing fish.
Water levels are carefully maintained throughout the hatchery system. Precise monitoring ensures ideal conditions for egg development.
Automated systems help maintain stable incubation conditions. Technicians regularly inspect the eggs for healthy development. Inside each egg, a tiny fish begins to form. Soon, the developing larvae are transferred to the next stage. Newly hatched fry are carefully transferred for rearing. The delicate fry are moved using gentle water flow. The young fry begin their first stage of growth. The fry are sorted and cleaned before further growth.
Aerated tanks provide oxygen for growing fish.
The young fish are released into larger rearing systems.
Automatic feeders deliver precise amounts of food.
The fry feed actively as powdered nutrients enter the water. Microalgae are cultivated as natural food for young fish.
Technicians regularly sample algae cultures for quality control.
Algae density is measured to maintain optimal nutrition.
Large vats grow algae used to feed young fish.
Water and nutrients circulate through the hatchery system.
Pelleted feed supports the rapid growth of juvenile fish.
Strong currents encourage active feeding behavior. Large hatcheries manage many tanks simultaneously.
Fish naturally swim together in coordinated schools. Automated conveyors distribute feed evenly across tanks. Small fish compete quickly for available food. Waste is continuously removed through central filtration drains. Drum filters remove solid waste from the water.
Biological filters convert harmful waste into safer compounds. Regular maintenance keeps the hatchery operating efficiently.
Fish are transferred carefully for grading and processing. Water-assisted chutes move fish safely through the system.
Automated graders separate fish according to size.
Fresh circulating water keeps tanks oxygenated.
Fish gather quickly when feed enters the water.
Larger fish feed aggressively at the surface. Looking Diamond.
Digital monitoring helps track fish growth and water conditions.
The control room monitors the entire hatchery system. Central control systems manage hatchery operations. Oxygen sensors monitor water quality continuously. Feed ingredients are prepared in industrial mixing systems. Powerful pumps circulate water throughout the hatchery. Variable speed drives regulate water circulation. When fish reach full size, they are prepared for harvest.
Fish gather near incoming water currents.
Aerated tanks support microbial and nutrient processes.
Valves control the transfer of fish during harvest.
Pneumatic tubes transport fish safely through the facility. Harvested fish are sorted and weighed. The harvest is measured before transport. Fish are placed into transport containers for shipment. Transport bins are sealed for quality control. Mobile tanks safely move fish between hatchery sections.
The final stage prepares fish for inspection and distribution.